bike update. Welcome back to Crest Showroom, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of motorcycles and mobility vehicles. Today, we're diving into something unique: GIO, the 2025 GIO Golf Enclosed Mobility Scooter. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and fully enclosed ride, this could be the perfect option for you. Let's start with the design. The GIO Golf Enclosed Mobility Scooter stands out with its modern, sleek, and fully covered body. Unlike traditional mobility scooters, this one is built for all weather conditions, thanks to its fully enclosed cabin. Whether it's raining, windy, or even slightly chilly, this scooter ensures a comfortable and protected ride. The large windshield, side windows, and solid build give it the look of a compact electric vehicle rather than just a scooter. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 GIO Golf comes equipped with a powerful electric motor that offers a smooth and quiet ride. It's designed for urban mobility, with the top speed that's safe yet efficient for city streets and golf courses. The scooter features a long-lasting battery, providing an impressive range on a single charge. Whether you're commuting short distances or just enjoying a leisurely ride, this scooter offers reliability and convenience. Comfort and convenience are key highlights of this model. The interior is spacious enough to accommodate the rider comfortably, with a well-padded seat and user-friendly controls. The enclosed design not only protects against the elements but also adds an extra layer of safety. The doors lock securely, and the scooter comes with easy-to-use controls, making it accessible even for first-time users. Safety is always a priority, and the 2025 GIO Golf doesn't disappoint. It includes features like front and rear lights, turn signals, and a sturdy braking system to ensure maximum control. The tires are designed for stability, making it easy to maneuver through different terrains, whether it's pavement, grass, or smooth pathways. Overall, the 2025 GIO Golf Enclosed Mobility Scooter is a game-changer in the world of personal mobility. With its stylish enclosed design, reliable performance, and enhanced comfort, it's an excellent choice for those looking for an alternative to traditional scooters or small vehicles. That's all for today's bike update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crest Showroom for more exciting updates on motorcycles and mobility vehicles. See you in the next video.